Hey, this is CarHavn, Ramiro here. We have a little bit of an odd duck for us. This is a Lexus CT 200 with a Prius platform. We've been doing work in hybrids for a long time now, and a customer of ours asked us if we could do a head gasket on this car. So I started to research them, and we noticed that at about 150, 160,000 miles, all head gaskets on this platform go bad on the Generation 3. So we said, sure, we'll give it a shot. It's an internal combustion engine. We're good at that. Let's try it. So we took the job, and then I'm happy with it because we did a very good job with it. Replaced the head gasket, timing chain, water pump, thermostat, usual, spark plugs, whatever. And then it comes running perfectly fine now. Let me show you how we did it. And now this is a new service that we're offering. So if you want a Prius or a CT 200H, come to us. We'll be happy to do the head gasket for you. They're very high quality in a 36-month, 36,000-mile warranty on the repair. So let me show you how it's done. So here's the basic layout of the car. As you know, hybrids have an internal combustion engine, which is this one right here. This is what we know extremely well. And then on this right-hand side, you have all the high voltage electronics. The computer is right there, and then all the orange parts is where the high voltage parts come into play. So it's extremely important to make sure that you disconnect all of those so you are working safely. So the work that we're going to be doing today is actually completely on the internal combustion engine, doing the head gasket as I have mentioned. Now we are in the final steps of the process. Head gasket has been installed, and then head is in place. Now we're going for the valve cover now. Timing chain is changed, as you can see in there. Nice and shiny, and then of course new seals and all the components. Now the job is complete. We are done with it. As usual, we took it for a road test and then scanned the car. All the ECUs are green, which is a great thing, obviously. It's doing a quick reporting here. Okay, and then we're gonna see that the summary here are the DTCs, or the diagnostic trouble codes, and that's completely green. So car's in great shape. Another great job done by CarHavn.